Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How it going everybody? Welcome back today. I want to talk about web hosting so far. You beginner out there that are still getting into world of web hosting. You might be wondering what is web hosting. Web hosting is a service that allows individual and organization to make their website accessible on the internet. It's a crucial aspect of building and maintenance a website as it provides the necessary infrastructure and support for the website to be accessed by users around the world. When a website is created, is built using a combination of coding languages such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and it is stored on a computer or server in order for the website to be accessible on the internet. It needs to be hosted on a server that is connected to the internet, and this is where web hosting come in. Now it you're the market for a good, reliable, secure, and consistent web host. I recommended other hostinger of Bluehost. Both of these web hosting services are very reliable, and these are my two most recommended. I personally like to use Hostinger, but I just want to give you guy an extra option if you are interested in Bluehost. Either way, I found the full review. If you would like to learn a little bit more about this web hosting service in the description down below, as well as link to pricing and discount. Web hosting companies such as Hostinger and Bluehost provide service that can store and manage website, and they allow provide the necessary technical support and maintenance to ensure that the website is always up and running. There are several different types of web hosting, each with its one unique feature and benefit. Let's start with shared hosting. Shared hosting is the most basic and affordable type of web hosting. In shared hosting, multiple websites are hosted on a single server, and the resources of the server are shared among all the websites. This is a great option for small business and personal websites that don't have a lot of resources. New VPS hosting is more advanced type of web hosting that provides greater control and flexibility. In VPS hosting, a website is hosting on a virtual server, which is a partition of a physical server. This allows such a website to have it one dedicated resources, and it allows also provide more control over making it great option for websites that have high traffic or more depending requirement. Next, you have dedicated hosting, and hostinger does not provide dedicated hosting, so we are going to have to go to Bluehost for this. Here we go have dedicated hosting right here, which is the most advanced and expensive type of web hosting. Is in dedicated hosting is a website in hosted on it one physical server. This provides the greatest level of control and resources, making a great option for very large business or website that receive a lot of traffic, which is why it's a very expensive option. Cloud hosting is a newer type of web hosting that is become increasingly popular. A website hosting on a network of servers that are connected to the internet. The provides greater scalability and flexibility as the website and automatically use more resources as needed. In addition, to shared hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated hosting, and cloud hosting. You also have e-commerce hosting and WordPress hosting, which are just more specialized type of web hosting. You can also find more type of web hosting depending on the web hosting provider that you are going with. For example, hosting has specialized hosting such as hosting for agencies, cyber panel hosting, and Microsoft server hosting. Thank you for watching this video.